Today we are going to talk about mapping out a field in 4Harvest. When you are ready to add a new field, go to the left-hand menu and click on Fields. On this screen, you can see the fields that you currently have set up in the system. To add a new field, click on New Field. Here you will have the ability to add field information and also map out your field and driveways in the program. We are going to start by adding the field information. We will add a field name. You can put in owner or renter information in this box, but that field is not required. Add the number of acres. You can enter a legal description, but this field is not required. Select the crop type. Select your harvest year. And if you are delivering this field to a specific destination, you can select that here. This field is not required. Once you have finished entering your field information, scroll down and now we can map our field. We are going to find the section we want to map out on the map on the left-hand side. We are going to start by adding a boundary around our field. Click Add Boundary. We're going to click on the first point that we want to select. We're going to drag that over to the second point, the third point, the fourth point, and then we're going to click the last point to connect those dots. This will then have a red outline around your field. The next step we are going to take is add a marker. A marker is required for driver GPS navigation to the field. We are going to map out a driveway on the field. Click Add Marker. We are going to put a point on the driveway, and I'm going to change this name on the marker zone to say North Driveway. Once you have mapped out the details on your field, we can then click Save. You can be as detailed as you want to be in this section. You can map out multiple driveways, or if you do not require the GPS navigation, you can put a marker point in the middle of the field to have it mapped out in the system. Click Save. Once you have saved your field, you have the option to create another field, or if you select the back button, it will take us back to the field screen. You can now see our new field set up in 4Harvest. On the left-hand menu, click Dashboard. I'm going to select Mobile View. This is the view you would see from your cell phone or mobile device. On the Fields tab, you can see a list of all of the fields in the system, and you can see the fields you are currently working on. To put a field in the Working Fields selection, select the field, and then click the button that says Is Working Field. This will automatically save. We are going to hit the back button, and now you can see the new field in the Working Fields section. To look at the details of the field, click on the field in the Working Fields section. From here, you can see your current net weight and gross bushel totals from the field. This is real-time data every time you make a delivery. When you are finished with that field, you can also enter in your net weight and gross bushel numbers from a grain cart scale, and you can compare those numbers to your deliveries in the system to see what your variance, if any, is. Today we have talked about mapping out fields in 4Harvest. Please tune in to our next videos to learn how to add contracts, add bin and storage information, and for other tips to help you finish setting up your 4Harvest account.